Welcome back. My name is Patricia. Let's jump into it. Why training alone doesn't create change. Training does matter. I am someone who designs and facilitates workplace learning. I genuinely believe in the value of training. Good training can build confidence, reduce anxiety, increase understanding, and help people feel prepared. That building trust in a safe place really matters in all contexts. But one thing I've learned through leading and supporting learning, project programs, and change is this. Training alone rarely creates lasting change. And I want to be clear. This is not an argument against training. It's actually the opposite. It's about understanding how training works best. Sometimes organizations unintentionally expect training to do too much. You've probably seen it before where we've communicated the change, we've offered training, and people attended. Check, check, check. But then adoption feels difficult. Questions continue, confidence stays low, and people are struggling to apply what they learned. So what's missing? Understanding the change first is important. So before creating training, I think one of the most important questions to ask is, what change are we actually trying to support? How significant is the change? What behaviors or workflows are shifting? And what is the impact on employees? How ready are people for this change? One small process update is very different from a major system implementation or an organizational shift. And people experience change differently. Some people are ready right away. Others feel hesitant, uncertain, overwhelmed, anxious. And often there is a quiet person in the background that is asking, why should I care? And what does this mean for me? And that matters. Include people in the process. Another thing I've seen make a meaningful difference is including people impacted by the change right away and through the process. Listening to concerns, gathering feedback, testing the resources, piloting the training, and hearing the people closest to the work. People are more likely to support change when they feel informed, heard, and included. Timing matters, and how much information is shared when it's not an all or nothing thing. Another thing I think about a lot is timing. Some organizations train people too early, and then people complete the training, check mark, and they don't use the learning for weeks or months. And naturally, people forget things. And that's not because of not great training, and it's not because of motivation. It's just how learning works. Training and practice are often strongest when they happen close to implementation, that just in time. And opportunities to practice during the training and or shortly after can make a huge difference. Go live is not the end. This is a big one for me. Implementation is not the end of learning. In many ways, it's the beginning. This is when people are applying learning in real contexts. Questions will come up, expectations and unexpected variables happen, and confidence shifts. This is where coaching, quick reference guides, just-in-time learning, and support become really important. And my final reflection here, and I'll link the related blog and articles as well. I want to share, I believe deeply in training. But training works best when we stop expecting it to do everything on its own. Maybe the shift is moving from asking, did we provide training? To asking, how are we supporting people through the change? If this resonates with you, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you for listening or watching, for checking this out. Please add your comments and questions. And until next time, my name is Patricia.